ready, we are ready, we are ready. We are ready. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Hello everyone. Simply You Makeup is ready to play with some makeup. Get your palettes out, let us have some makeup fun. Let us create something beautiful because you are beautiful. I am using the Fenty 6 color palette. The palette name is called Smokey. It's a 6 Smokey. So far with this color, it is going on okay, but it feels hard in the pan. Like I have to go like this. Once I get it on the brush, so far I have no problem once I get it on the brush on my eyes. But you can tell it's hard to get it out the pan. Today's look is this. I use the Fenty 6 Smokey. This is what the colors look like. The palette I like. The size I like. The colors was a little, some was too soft, some was too hard. This color, I had to rub the brush a lot, but I like it. I put it all over my eye. And then this one is a little soft and it's right here in the middle. And this one I like a lot. It has like shimmers, glitters, but it's not the hard, rough glitters, and it has a nice base, almost like a blackish, purplish undertone. Other than that, the palette is mere. It needs more pigment. It's not functionable. But I'll use it again because I purchased it, and I'll try some more colors in it. Today's inspirational, encouraging word is memories. Memories. Memories is something we make all through our lives. And then sometimes we get to reflect on it, but sometimes we are so busy we don't get to reflect on it too much. Sometimes we get so busy we don't get enough time to sit and reflect on the memories we have. The memories we have made until somebody passed. And then we remember all these nice memories. Let us take a little bit more time to reflect on the memories we have made along the way while people are still alive. And when they are gone, these memories are what we live with. Those memories, some of them bring us happy thoughts and a smile to our face. I know some people have horrible memories, and I pray that you have good friends, good family members, good acquaintances that can bring you some good memories, so when these old horrible memories show up, you can think of a good memory to cancel that. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And Simply You Makeup is saying to be fabulous in your own skin. Bye!